Hello, Nykaa Pink Sale is on, and how can we not do a haul video? Before that, please welcome my cat. She is a middle child and her name is Lily. Also, please excuse the pasara in the back. I am moving a lot of things from my closet and you'll get to know why in 2 to 3 weeks. And this luxury parcel is something that we will open at the end. Okay, so let's start. This time for the Nykaa sale, most of the things are something that I have been restocking. Okay, first one is the Venus Gillette cartridges. So this was not on off, but I needed it, so I just wanted to refill. Second are the powder puff applicators. Now the applicators that I use, especially the puff ones, so especially the puff ones, they tend to get very dirty. So earlier I used to wash them, but it again becomes a lot of hassle when it's raining outside, because once you wash them they don't really dry often. So I always try to keep puffs handy. Then the next one is the Carnesi facial razors. Okay, I love these ones. These are instant and painless, anti-grip, and I think these are reusable. So these are 3 of them, and it's a very quick way to shave your face, of course. Then we have this. Okay, there are a lot of things. Oh, so these are all the lip liners that I have bought. Now, for some reason, I don't feel like spending a lot of money on lip liners. So I got the ones from Nykaa Cosmetics, Lips Don't Lie. And they are in 3 shades. Lily, there is Date Night 16, Feisty Brunette, and Heartbreaker. I'll show you the swatches as well. Then along with that, I have got this free from Nykaa, which is Glamour Eyes, which is I think a eye pencil. After that, we have, yes, this is VT Riddle Shot. This is one of the best things that I have purchased in the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. And this is Riddle Shot 100. Now after using this, you can go to 300, but I kind of like using this because nowadays I don't use it on a regular basis. I would normally use it on alternate days because let's be honest, I fuck up my skincare sometimes. So this is really great, and I will make a dedicated video on this because this product deserves that. Then we have, this is Estura Auto Barrier Hydro Smoothing Cream. This is a Korean brand, and this is one of the best dermatologist recommended moisturizer. So this is something that I'm going to try for the first time because my moisturizer is almost done and I wanted to get a new one. The last best moisturizer that I have tried was the Clinique Moisture Surge. After that, I have never really found a texture and the hydrating properties of any of the moisturizer till date, but this I think would hopefully work. I think this is a freebie that I have gotten. This is the CeraVe moisturizing cream. I bought something from CeraVe as well, which is a must-have. Okay, so this is for dry to very dry skin. I don't really have dry skin. I am more of a oily, sweaty kind of skin. So this doesn't really work on my face, but I tend to use it as a body lotion. Okay, and it's a mini, so you know, when traveling, this is really nice. Okay, after that, oh, this is one of the things that I'm really excited to try. So this is the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. As I was just telling you, I am a oily skin girly. So this is something that has a lot of reviews and good reviews, of course. So this is one thing that I wanted to try. Okay, so this is a freebie that they have sent me. The Bioderma Gentle Cleansing Gel Body, Face, Hands for normal to dry and sensitive skin. This is one of the things that I've been trying to, I've wanted to try. I have used a lot of sunscreens from Dermaco. In fact, this is one of my regular sunscreen, but the ones that I use are chemical sunscreen. So I have been wanting to try out their mineral sunscreen, Now if you know, most of the mineral sunscreens they leave a white cast, they sit on your face. So this is one thing I feel that because it is from Dermaco, I have a lot of hopes for this. Again, I'll make a video on this. And this is ultra light zinc mineral sunscreen, and it is water and sweat resistant. This is the Taft Power Mousse. I have not been using a lot of hair product, and recently I'm seeing that as soon as I wash my hair, they tend to get very oily in a day or two, even if I'm not air drying them. I think that is because of the hair serum that I'm using. I think that hair serum is from Bare Anatomy, and somewhere it is just making my hair look very oily. So I'm trying to find a product that would work effectively to style my hair. Oh yeah, this is the Bioderma shampoo. So this is what I actually purchased. This is the Bioderma Anti-Dandruff Intense Shampoo. So this is for my husband, and before this he was using the Plum sorry, so he was using the Plum Anti-Dandruff shampoo, and I wanted to use a little expensive kind of a product. It has good reviews, so let's see if this works. Then we have the most important of all, this, my holy grail. This is the CeraVe foaming cleanser for normal to oily skin. Now this is the second time I have purchased this, and let me tell you, I have this bottle, this particular cleansing foam in all of its sizes. Okay, even the travel sizes, the mini size, this, the one a little smaller than this as well, and it goes on for a very long time. I used to be someone who used to, you know, kind of keep looking through a lot of cleansing foams or something like that, but let me tell you that this, once I found this, it has been smooth sailing. I have not wanted to use anything else. So from all of this, if there's one thing that you should be trying out, is this. This is very gentle on your skin. It will clean your skin, but it will not take away that moisture, but your skin will feel nice and hydrated after washing it. Okay, this is something that you want to try. Okay, and they have something for dry skin as well. So this is for normal to oily skin. There's different one if you have dry skin too. And with this, again, for this I got two. Again, I got a mini foaming cleanser, the same one, free with this, and previously seen this one. So I got two freebies with this. So good purchase. And what is the last thing over here? Yes, there is a sunscreen stick. This is something that I got free again. Okay, with this one. Okay, and this is a hyaluronic sunscreen stick. I do tend to use this in the cream form a lot, and I also have the sunscreen stick, and I'm not a huge fan of it, but let's see if they have made any changes or not. A small sample of Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, the serum as well, a small sachet. Okay, but I'm already using the Estee Lauder ANR for a long time, for six months now, and yes, you cannot go wrong with this. And this is not just me, my sister-in-laws, both my sister-in-laws, my mother-in-law, all of them use the serum, and I started using it after they recommended it, after my sister-in-law recommended it, and it has been a game changer. Obviously, if you have aging skin, like if you are above 40 or 35, this is a very, very good addition. For me, I feel that, you know, right now, since I'm 31, my skin is still okay, but it did make a lot of changes. It did bring a lot of difference when I first started using it, the luxury box. So I had this waiting in the wait list for a very long time, and I was in fact going to buy the mini version of this, but then I had decided against it. But this was the second order that I placed, and it was really good because I got a luxury coupon on it, which gave me 600 rupees discount over the already discounted price. So yes, let's see. Okay, I also have a freebie with this as well, and this is the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. Okay, so now this is the largest one, which is 60 ml, correct? Yes, this is the 60 ml one. And as I said earlier, I am looking for products for my hair that would not make it oily within a day or two. So I wanted to try different hair serums, but then I thought that why not just go to the holy grail itself. So this is the oil, and I'm just hoping that it works out, because this is a huge bottle. If it doesn't work out, my money is gonna go to waste, definitely, but I don't want to waste this. Part I love about the Nykaa Pink sale is that you get a lot of freebies. I got a new freebie, the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Now the shampoo, number 4 and number 5 I think are the shampoo and the conditioner for Olaplex, and they have been in my wish list forever. I am actually waiting for my current conditioner and shampoo to just get over so that I can buy this in the next sale. And with this, my Nykaa haul is done. I think all of these things retail for somewhere around 13 or 14,000 rupees. So my initial pink box was somewhere around 25,000, but that is the habit that I normally have. I will put up everything, something that are necessities, something that I just want to buy, and then on the day of the sale when the sale starts, I'll revisit everything and remove products that I feel are just, I've put in just because they were on a discount. Because guess what? You don't need everything. I mean, why would you want to hold all of this stuff? Because again, all of these things come with the, what do you see? Once you open, how sooner you have to, use it. So all of these come with that, and you don't want to use it against expiry. Even if you say that, like this CeraVe foaming cleanser, the expiry date is 7/27, but after it shows this bin wala symbol, open wala symbol, which says it's 12 months. So once I open this, I should be using this effective. If you want to have an effective use of the product, you should be using it in 12 months. So you don't really need everything that is trending. Do like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.